Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find down in the description of that video the timeline. So go choose the time depending on your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. As you see here today, what's happened here, a big crash happening here today. Not something bad happened here. And here, if you remember what else we've been saying here, when it's breaking here, I told you guys we need to enter exactly here in that candle, and you can find it still in the community tab here in YouTube. Go there is a picture, I think that 4 or 5 days. I told you when it's getting break here, enter short, and as you see it, if you enter short, will dive today, make very nice money from it. You can find all those things still in our channel. And here I told you the market, he tried to give us here a double top like that, and now he breaking for us the neckline which is here. So that one, the take profit for it. We came like that and we do it like that. It's going to fall down till here. Talk with me till exactly that supply and demand zone here. We started from here and here. Then from here we're going to see either we're going to go back up or no. But now here in that level we got something very important. Let me show it to you. Over here we got that 200 moving average. That one also we've been talking about it. If you remember, people they've been with us, I've been telling you, I got a view is going to fall down from here till the 200 moving average. Then after that maybe it's going to go back up, and that's what it's showing exactly as you see it. Even that candle we came today here, it zoom it a little bit to show you those things I'm talking about. As you see that candle here, what it done there exactly, look at it, it came next to the 200 moving average here, and it showed a big tail from down trying to reverse up in that level here. Why that level here? Because that level here in the 200 moving average is a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it here, you bring it last time from here, now you are in it here again. So that one here is a very stronger level. We need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do there. Plus over here we got something else. Let me show it to you. You remember the top of that wedge also we got here in the daily. Now it go back the market and touch it here. So here you got 3 levels. You got the 200 moving average, the downtrend, and the place where is a lot of options or pot of options here as you see them. So maybe tomorrow after the unemployment rate came, we're going to see a little bit jump up, maybe to here, just to here, to touch here, that last low here. Then after that, the market is going to continue down. Because till now there is nothing telling us the market is going to reverse upward, because if we follow the price action here, we don't got nothing new here. It's telling us the market is going to reverse. Actually, now the people they haven't entered, they can make like that, as you see it, and you can draw in here a wedge like that. Here I'm talking here about daily here, and you waiting. If it's getting blocked up here, you can enter long. If it fall down here, I'm breaking the 200 moving average. The people, I'm talking here about the people they haven't entered yet short with us from here, they can enter short. But me personally, I think it will not go more deep, more than that level here as you see it between 17k till 18k. That level here is very stronger level, but I think only from here we are going to see going back upward. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the daily. Our indicator, as you see it, we've been here at the overbought area. So people, they been with us, they know those things. Also, we need to look in here for short. We used to have here a price action. The price action we used to have here is that up channel like that is getting broke here in that level. We enter short till here. Now, our indicator, it hasn't touched here the oversold area. That's where it's still more room to fall down. So that's why I told you it's still more falling down. So for long-term investors, it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, because it's coming very bad news those days. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we got a big day. as you see it here. But majority of those ones, they are not going to get a big impact to the Bitcoin, unless that two here. The first one is going to come at 1:30 GMT time, and the second one is going to come same time, 1:30 GMT time. What that do? They are the unemployment rate of USA and non-farm payroll of USA. Both of them, they got the same impact to the market. It's about unemployment rate. So as you see it, the unemployment rate is at 3.4%. That one, if it came 3.4%, is very bad. That means the Fed is going to increase interest rate more, and that's what no one wants, because the Fed, as I explained to you in yesterday video, I told you there is one of two. Either the government of USA to lower spending, or the Fed to use his tools to increase unemployment rate. So till now, it's still stuck at 3.4. That's when people, they don't lose any jobs of them in USA. And Joe Biden, he said they are going to increase income tax from 20% to 40%. That's another story here. So that's why you see the market, it's showing today that big weakness here. And here, our friend, the table of us, also we're looking at it every day here. What it's telling us today, just the table here, it tell you what is happening today in the market. Look at it. Everything is red. Everything is red here. The only thing which is going green today, what is it? Is our friend, the VIX. And what me I told you yesterday, after the testimonial of Jerome Powell, what me I told you, it was here 18. I told you we're going to see a big increasement in the VIX, and that's what's happening. You see it today. We go back to 22.61. That means currencies go back high to the market. So people now, they are scared what's going to happen in the coming days, because the Fed, he tell us pound clear they are going to go back to 0.50, and that's selling us. We used to put 5% interest rate. It will not go back now. Then they said they are going to pass that selling. That meant the interest rate of USA is going to pass that 5%. So that one is very, very major change in the politics of the Fed. So you need to be focused about those things here, because till now they see that 5%, it will not lower the inflation to 2%. So over here, you need to make a close eye at those things I'm telling you. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here, look at it. You remember that trend line here we used to have? It's getting broke here in that level here. So we'll have you enter short from here. And people, they being with me, they remember that, because that day, it's the day of Silvergate bankruptcy. Me, I used to have here a long, I entered from here in that place here, because I used to have here a wage. I enter along from here. And before than that, I used to have here like that, a triangle here. I enter short from here. Over here, I take some profit because it give me here, the market is going to reverse upward. For me, close the profit, and I enter along here in that place here exactly, and I put my stop loss down here. Then it came that candle here, that big one here, that candle of Silvergate. It's hitting my stop loss here exactly, and me, when it's hitting my stop loss, I used to have here a flag like that, as you see it, that the flag I used to have, because that candle it closed still down here. So me, I enter from here, I enter a short order, then I put it like that line of that flag, I put it like that, and I said the take profit for that one is going to be here in that level. So in yesterday video, I told you here, I need to protect myself. It doesn't mean I'm going to close everything. No, protect myself, it means I'm going to move the stop loss to the break even to close some of the profit. Look at today where I am. That's just an extra example for you. My stop loss is being hit in here. Me, I enter from here, just to here back all my losses. Look where I am now. I am now in profit, extra profit, guys. That's how you need to trade. And what else we said here in that level here, for people they haven't entered with, also they just came now, we tell you we got here like that, a wage like that, and I remember it very, very, very well like that. And I told you in yesterday video, if you follow the lines or the close of the chart, you need to be entering. If you follow the tails, you need to wait in. And that's what's happened here. It's breaking down here, that level here. You can find all those analyses in the last video. When it's breaking here, look at it now, where you are. Take profit for that one where it needs to be. You just came here to that one here, and you do it like that. That line you do here, that one here. You bring it here. That one it's bringing for you the take profit, guys. As you see it, it's the same take profit here. So enjoy your profit, guys. Now, what should you do now? Should you enter long here in that place? For you to enter long, look at with me here what I'm going to do. You see it here and look here down. We got now a down channel, as you see it, very clear down channel. Now either that one from here is going to go back up and to break here the top of that channel. That the time we need to enter long, because it needs the market to move all that much till here for also thinking of to enter long. Till now there is nothing here and you need to wait in more. Either that channel is going to make a correction like that, then after that to fall down to break down here, or also to enter short again, or another scenario is going to come and to break here and also we're going to enter long. Till now here at that place there is nothing confirmed here. It's still very late here, and here we don't got any price action. Now it's telling us also we need to enter long. Now the market now is showing here, look at it here, very clear here. You can put in here a cup and handle, double top, anything you can do it here as you see it, and you break in the neckline here. It means we're still falling down more, and I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see our indicators, what they saying here. We're still here only for swing trading, so let's go in there. Here it is our indicator. Also here we are here at the 4 hours. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to extreme oversold area. It's not oversold, it's extreme oversold area now. Now people they been with me, they know me when that one enter here to the oversold area. Me up buying because that one it's not normal setting, it use a special setting, and people they took my course, they know that. Now either that one it's need to come to break here for me to enter long. Till now I am here. I can't enter now because I need a price action, and the price action there is nothing in the chart, so I need to wait. Because trading, guys, you need to remember that trading, all of it, it's based on passion. Without passion there is no trading, so you need to wait until the right time. Here I show you even that one in yesterday video. I told you we got here a downtrend, as you see it from here and here. Now for us to enter long, it's need that one to come to break here. If it doesn't break in here, us we will not enter, and it's a very clear picture. As you remember me I've been telling you, us we are here in the control of the bears. There is no bulls yet in the market, and look at it, it just came here a little bit, then after that it fell down very sharply there. But man, the bears they still controlling, there is no bulls. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what he's saying. That one here, same thing. Me, I be looking here for buy because that indicator it's being here at the oversold area. And me, I used to tell you here, guys, you remember all those things. I told you we got here a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, over here it used to be a resistance, and here it's been a support, but now it's getting broke here. That the power of the price action, because that it's telling you all those oscillators they don't work, because we just using them as filters. And me I've been telling you when we are here at that level here, what me I told you here, I told you we need to wait in a price action to tell us or to confirm for us we need to enter long. There is no price action there. As you remember, me I give you that wage here. Actually that wage is getting broke down here. Now you need to be in short now. I think picture is very simple, guys. No one explained to you like that. So if so far till now you've been with us, please go ahead and smashing that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here I always go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. What else we said here in yesterday video? You can find it still in the channel. We haven't dealt it. We said here, we got here a uptrend here, and we be in here exactly here in that level here. We said that one it need to come to break here for us to enter long. Did it break? No, we haven't break there. And me I told you for you to enter short. I came to that peak here, that one, and I do it like that. That's how I done it, me personally. I told you if it came a break lower here, enter short. And why me I told you I do it like that? I told you because if it's breaking here, it's going to be breaking even the lower here. Yes or no? Did it break? Look at it, it's breaking here. So will that from here, you enter short. You see it or no? It's very simple, my friend. There is nothing hard like that. Now, where we are now, us, look where we are. The market, it fell down. That one here, that daily trend line us we got here. we're getting broke. Now we go back to it again here. Now either from here is going to fall down again. Should you enter long now? No, my friend, there is nothing telling you to enter long now here. People, they enter from here. Now them they are in profit and they still going with the profit of them. That's it. Over here, we need a price action here telling us also we need to enter long. Now there is nothing there. Yes, you can come here like that. Look with me here, but that one is going to be very, very far away from the market where it is now. So we need to wait in a price action here in that level here. It telling us the market is going to reverse from here to go in upward. If there is no price action, there is no entry long. And even for the short, we need a price action here because look at it, the market is falling down very sharp here. So there is no entry long, no entry short here. So for scalpers and day traders tomorrow, try to avoid to enter because you know what is it coming tomorrow. You know tomorrow non-farm payroll and unemployment rate, they got a big impact to the market. To try to avoid that time exactly at 1:30 GMT time. After 1:30, you can open a trade depending if you got here a price action or no. It's our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, there is nothing change here. We're still here at the oversold area as you see it for long now. Look from where? From here till here. That way me I told you. Those ones they are just oscillators. Us we just using them as filters and to confirm for us we need to enter long or to enter short. But the most important is the price action. By the way, if you want to learn that strategy and everything about it, down below in our Bitcoin day trading course, you're going to find the same strategy I explain here, but more in depth. I explain to you how to spot all those price action and all those things. So I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.